Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a welcome message to your Discord server. To do this, you have to be an owner or an admin that has the proper permissions to add a bot, because we're going to add a bot to our server. First, what we're going to do is go to our server settings, click on app directory, and then just type in Dino. Click on Dino, and then click on add app, click on visit site. And then we're gonna get greeted with this. We have to authorize Dino in our server, and we have to authorize Dino in our Discord. So we select our server, click on continue, and scroll down, and then click on authorize. After that, we're gonna get taken into their website. What we have to do next is click on modules, search here welcome, and then enable this. Go to settings, and then before we tamper with any setting here, we have to go back to our Discord, close everything here. We add a new channel that says welcome. Click on create channel and go back to Dino. Here on Dino, we click on message because we want a welcome message to greet the new user. Here we have our variables down here in what we want the bot to do. So for me, I'll just use user, and this will mention the user whenever they join the server. So here we type in welcome new user and then the variable user, and then we go to channel, click on select channel. Well, actually we have to refresh this first, and then click on select channel, and then click on the welcome channel, and then click on update. Once we do that, a message will pop up in the bottom right corner that says success, and then we go back to our Discord, and every time a new user joins in, Dino will mention that user and then welcome them to the server. That's how we add a welcome message to our server in Discord. That will be all for this video. If you like the video, click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy how-tos. Thanks for watching.